This is a final video you need to watch to fix the invite invalid error on Discord. Do you see this annoying error message every time you try to join a new server? You click the link, but Discord stops you and says the invite is invalid. This stops you from chatting with your friends and joining communities. This problem happens for a few specific reasons. Maybe the link you have is just too old. The server owner might have banned your account by mistake. Or Discord thinks your internet connection looks suspicious. I looked at other solutions on YouTube and social media. They are all very complicated. Most people tell you to download strange software or change difficult settings on your computer. Those steps are hard to follow and take up too much of your time. But I found a secret easy trick to solve this. You do not need to be a tech expert. This method simply resets your connection to the Discord servers in a special way. It clears the bad data that causes the error. Here at Rexist, I use this trick whenever I have issues. It works instantly and keeps your account safe. Do you want to see exactly how to do this? I can record my screen and show you every single click. Leave a comment below.